Hi guys, I've been so stressed because I pulled out my ligament. Like it is so puffed out, like this. Oh my god. Do you see this? Bluish thing. Oh, I have to go ballet practice, but I don't know what to do. So, yeah. Today I went to ballet academy and yeah, pulled the ligament while I was practicing with pointers on. So I went to the hospital and the doctor said I pulled a ligament and I have to rest for about 1 to 2 weeks. So I'm so sad. Oh, what should I do? Then I will get ready for filming my new video. Recently I wrinkled my foot, so it very hurts. This is skin, and I'm going to rip it off my face. And then cream to moisturize my face. I have to video chat with my professor, English professor in university, so I have to get ready. So this video is get ready with me. It is included get ready with me. And then I'm going to put foundation on my face. I started YouTube to talk about myself. Yeah, that first. My name is Jennifer Kim and my Korean name is Jimin Kim. And I started YouTubing because I had too many times because of coronavirus. And I didn't know what to do, and then my friend recommended to do YouTube channel, to make YouTube channel, so I started like that. And like I have many interests in filming video or like editing, so I started and I'm very satisfying with making my channel, and I'm going to make my videos, so I wish you guys all enjoyed it. And then put concealer on my face. And then today I'm going to do contouring first. So to curve scoop on jaws, on cheeks, on my forehead, this. Oh my god, it's so. And then highlighter, Becca Moonstone. Your nose, Cupid Bond, your cheek. And then I'm going to put this Chanel. You can find this all information on my last video. This makeup routine is same as last video, so you can find them at there. I don't know why, but I feel very tired nowadays, so I just sleep all day, and it's sleep. That is my routine of my day. What do you guys do? And then eyeliner. And mascara. Oh, before that, I need to use curler to curl my eyelash. And then blush. My blush routine is always the same. I love this pink, and I'm cool tone, so it fits me very well. The NARS blush. To add my glow and pinkish color. Oh, I've almost forgot eyebrows. Brush your eyebrows first, and then draw. This is Anastasia eyebrow. Just add color. And then smudge with this brush again. Like this. And then very lastly, again, YSL. And it's the end. I'm going to do MacBook with my MacBook Pro. Oh, it doesn't work. Yeah, I have to do meeting with Zoom app. So yeah. This is the menu of 엽떡, and it is jajang taste flavor. It's so good. Hi, Sonny. He's going to have his fur cut today. Somi, look at me, bro. Somi. Oh, sorry. He's cute, doesn't he? Really cute. Oh, his last long fur. Don't go away. Have some snacks to him. One more day. One more. So, one more. He is very well. Huh? I came to Starbucks while waiting for some haircut. This is cherry blossom item, and it has jelly in the bottom and whipping cream on the top of this smoothie. I came back to home and some got haircut. Oh, isn't he cute? His fur is shortened, really. Oh my god, his pad are so cute. Do you see this? Oh, so cute guy. Somi. He's sleepy right now. He's about to go to the sleep dream. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.